You got to stay healthy because you're the one that keeps this whole clan together. I'm worried about you more than anybody. Even though you look great, you look fine.
Just make sure that you clean up the place, because that was a bit of an issue last time. But it's all good. My people are on their way over. Yeah, and clean up the basement and move the big head guy into that new room.
3 days later.
Brother, you did say that you'd be alone. But I couldn't bear to see you in such straits.
It's Ouija time!
No, Ouija, don't do it!
It's layout updating time!
No, YouTube, no!
It's Foxy time!
No!
It's adventure time!
Yay!
It's 1080p time!
No PS4! No!
It's Waluigi time! Wah!
It's Gooby time!
Please, Gooby, please!
All right, fans. You fans wanted it, and you fans are going to get it. We've got what you want. We've got the Whittakers. Let's get started.
This is, I think, where I photographed you 15 years ago. Whoa, you're peeing, Ray. Yeah, he seems fine. Whoa, Ray, you're taking another piss. Ray doesn't use the bathroom, does he?
Cream on it.
Yes, the Whittakers. Well, let's continue enjoying this awesome show of the Whittakers. And like I remember last time, you had got a little wild with the booze, so this time I got you some cool stuff. Dude, I got you some almond milk.
All right. Yeah.
And I got my good trusty.
Oh.
Well, the Whittakers. Everybody's trying to get in on this hot Whittaker thing all over the internet. Everybody's blowing up about it, taking their own takes about it. Researching and going through all the Whittaker footage with a fine-tooth comb. Now, let's see what other interesting stuff could be going out there with all these different interesting and unique takes all you fans got on these Whittakers. Let's get started.
It's their fucking fault.
No, it's not.
Hold up, being born is not their fault, but it's their parents.
Well,
It's their parents' fault for fucking each other.
But the parents, the level of inbred these people,
No,
and it's just, again, it makes you realize that, like, you don't.
I mean, look at everybody in the fucking house, man.
Right.
I mean,
Come on,
at a
dog.
certain point, you should be like, man, we retarded. Come on, man. We retarded as hell. We need to stop fucking each other.
But yeah,
Come on, man.
But there's no guidance there. There's no
Right.
No, Jamie, give me some volume.
Come on, man.
'Cause these people like make noises like a dog. Like this guy is.
They're communicating. That dog's even looking at him like, yeah. Okay, so who fucking who? That's the problem. bread.
This guy says talking about fucking, but who's fucking who?
Oh. Chill out, dude. Let's see some more.
Damn, Scooby-Doo.
This guy can't talk. Scooby-Doo can talk. Ruh-roh, Shaggy. Shit. Dog. This is what's left of this guy. Like he's just like chewing on bread, confused and barking like a dog. We could have a unlucky roll of the dice and you're born in that house.
Nah, my family wasn't fucking. That could have been me.
But it could have been you if it wasn't, you know, your roll of the dice.
That's a different kind of roll of the dice, Joe.
I know, but you're...
How do you eat with no teeth?
You don't eat well.
Right, and they're not brushing their teeth probably. You're right. Nobody's taught them probably.
So like, they kind
That's
of
why he's eating all bread all day.
Right, eating bread because he can't. Yeah, get something soft.
Exactly.
No dentist. All right, no dentist as a child. You know?
Exactly.
Oh my God. The population 779. Oh my God.
That is the hills have eyes. They know straight.
That's gonna cost me $399 to get there.
Imagine if you run out of gas there.
Oh no.
Right.
Genius stuff. Everybody's enjoying the Whittakers. Speaking of genius, let's see what Timmy's doing.
Timmy, what are you doing? Are you drawing?
Right.
He's writing?
Yeah.
Show me what you write.
What you writing there? He probably tear him out when he writes in them. No. He probably tore them out. He tears them out when he get a whole page full. That's what he wrote.
Let me see.
Timmy Whittaker.
Timmy Whittaker.
Dog. Yeah.
You can spell dog.
Yeah. It's them word.
Yeah. Good for you.
He can look at the phone and tell who called unknown number.
I think Timmy's much smarter than he appears. He graduated high school. You graduated high school, Timmy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He can read. He can read.
Who's he?
My name is Lance, and I like nuts.
My name is Fossil, and I can count the potato.
Hi, my name is Jerome. Can I have a slice of your duty? Hello, my name is Jeffy, and I like to eat apples.
The dude Timmy's pretty smart.
Well, he probably needs help shaving.
Should be.
What's going on? You guys had dinner yet?
Huh?
Have you had dinner yet?
No,
What are you guys going to do for dinner tonight?
I have no idea.
What do you guys normally do? Typically, like when I've been here, but in the past, I see Ray grab a loaf of bread and some like sliced meat, and he makes a little sandwich.
Oh, what? Bologna or
Yeah, bologna or whatever, something like that.
tomato, you know, all that.
Anybody cook here?
No.
No?
Nobody cook here. Kenny does the most cooking.
I do most of the cooking.
You do most of the cooking?
Yeah. I do a lot of cooking.
What kind of stuff will you make for these guys?